so what's happening weather-wise here in Korea and around the world? Let's go over to our Kwon So-ah for more. Hello, So-ah.
Hi, Jie.
Right, I hear that things would get a bit cooler this week. Can you tell us more?
Yes, Jie, that's correct. Temperatures should gradually decline in the second week of October, but not too much. Now, currently, skies look very clear all around because we're under the influence of a high pressure front in the east and also in the west. However, tomorrow we will have an increase in clouds as the day progresses. Now, by Wednesday, we also expect some rain for a change around the central regions, which should also drop temperatures a little bit. And this Tuesday also looks to be a tad cooler than today, with the capital Seoul starting off at 13 degrees and rising to the low 20s. Daegu, Gwangju, and Busan all top out at 24 degrees, but Busan's morning will be a little warmer than the others. And moving over to Daejeon, which will range from 11 to 22 degrees. Jeju and Dokdo make it to the low 20s as well, while Gumgang only hits 13 degrees. And now let's move on to the international weather. Let's begin in Beijing, which will start off the day a little rainy and windy, but you can look forward to a clearing up later in the day with lots of sunshine. Enjoy a pleasant day in Tokyo with moderate temperatures and a mix of sun and clouds. No change for Islamabad and New Delhi this week, with the heat continuing. Down under, it seems like this week it's the west warming up, with Perth reaching over the mid-20s this Tuesday, but eastern Sydney and Melbourne things look much cooler. Sydney should also receive a couple of showers, and the same goes for Wellington. Moving on to North America and to Vancouver, things will cool down step by step this week. Tuesday's high hits 18, Montreal 16, and same is expected over New York, but along with some early showers. Compared to last week, you'll find a big relief from the heat out west, including in Los Angeles. Further south, Lima, Bogota, and Santiago's forecast should be pretty identical, with intervals of sun and clouds and mercury reaching 19 degrees. Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo won't be much different from each other, with ample sunshine and temperatures in the 30s. And crossing the North Atlantic Ocean to Europe, have your umbrella handy in Moscow if you're heading out early, and have your coats handy throughout the whole week because you'll have to deal with single-digit readings. Light rain is also predicted in Paris and Rome. Some gusty winds could give you the chills in Berlin. Lots of 31s here on the African continent. Tripoli, Algiers, Cairo, and Dakar will be all in accord. The one cool and rainy place will be down in Cape Town. And that completes the weather forecast for now.
And that's all the news we are following at this hour. I'm Yoo Ji-hye in Seoul. I'll be back with more news updates on our primetime news at 10 p.m. Korea time. See you then.